Welcome back to the farm, everyone. We are sitting in the middle of the zinnia patch as we get close to fall, and we're on the lookout for the perfect zinnia flower to harvest for seed, so we have it for next year. There is one thing you do need to know before you do this, otherwise it'll be a waste of time, is what kind of zinnias you have. These are open pollinators, which means the bees and hummingbirds that are flying through the field here are spreading pollen from flower to flower, and all these seeds will be viable. It is possible that you might have genetically modified or what's called F1 zinnias, which means those seeds are not viable. And the only way you would really know that is if you grew yours from seed, it should be labeled on the packet somewhere. If you bought your zinnias from a nursery or a home improvement store, then the only way you would know is trial and error. You would have to save the seeds, plant them next year, and if you got nothing out of it, you know that you have hybrids. And if they grew up into plants, then you have open pollinators. Now, with open pollinators, you will get some cross pollination between colors. So it is a little bit of a crapshoot unless you grow them so far away from each other that they don't mix. Most of the time, I do get true colors. I'd say maybe 85%, and the other 15% may be crossed with another color. Let's go and look for that perfect zinnia. We'll look for a good one here in the purple zinnias. And you can see that these here that have turned brown, the whole rest of the plant's healthy. There's lots of good flowers around it, but this one has just spent or past its prime. And those are the seeds on the very end of the petals. We're going to cut this and bag it and save it for next year. There you have it. There's 3 zinnia seed heads in here. There's probably, I don't know, 200 seeds. And this winter, when it's raining outside, I'll separate them out from the flower and plant them next year. Hope that helps you and you have a great time in the garden. Live life in full bloom.